Today we will see question number 2. Find the LCM of the following by division method. Last class also we have seen the division method. In this class also we will see the division method. The first question is 28, 56. We have to take the LCM of both the number. As both the number unit place is having 8 and 6, it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again the unit place is 4 and 8, it will be divisible by 2. We know 14 goes in the table of 2, 2 7s are 14 and 2 14s are 28. Then it is 7 and it is 14. 7 will not go in the table of 2 but 14 will go in the table of 2. Then 2 7s are 14. 7 will come as it is. Then 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. So LCM of 28, 56 equal 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Then multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 multiply 7. 8 7s are 56. Is it clear? Now we will see question number 212 and 168. Its unit place is also divisible by 2, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again the unit place we know it will go in the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again in the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again it will go in the table of 2, 2 7s are 14, 21 won't go, 21 we have to write as it is. Then we know 21 goes in the table of 3, 3 7s are 21, 7 as it is. Then both is 7, it will go in the table of 7, 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja. So the LCM of 112 and 168 equal, how many times 2 came? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and then 3 into 7. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are, yes, 16 into 3 7s are 21. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 7 3s are 21. 21 into 16, that is 336. The next question is 36, 45, 72. We know all the 3 unit place are divisible by 2, therefore it will divide by 2. 2 18 ja 36. 45 will not go, 45 will be as it is. 72, 36. Again with the table of 2, 2 9s are 18, 45 as it is. Again we know 2 18 ja 36, it will be same. Now only 18 will go in the table of 2, 2 9s are 18, 45 will be as it is, and 9 will be also as it is. Now we know in the table of 3 it will go. 3 3s are 9, 3 15s are 45, again 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3. It will go in the table of 5, 5 1s are 5, 1 and 1 will come as it is. Then LCM of 36, 45, 72. How many times 2 came? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2, 2 times 3 and 1's 5. Now how to multiply it? You just see. Just make it 10. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Then 4 9s are 36 and 5 2s are 10. This 0 right over here. Then the LCM is 360. Is it clear? Next question is 180, 184, 144. It will go in the table of 2. 2 9s are 18, 0 as it is. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again it will go in the table of 2. 2 45s are 90. 2 4s are 8, 1 carried. 2 6s are 12, that is 46. Then 72, 2 3s are 6, 1 will be carried. 2 6s are 12. Then again it will go in the table of 2. 45 will come as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now again 18, it will go in the table of 2. 2 9s are 18, 23 will not be divisible, it is prime number. 45 will come as it is because in the table of 2, 45 won't come. Then 45, 23 and 9. It will go in the table of 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 15s are 45, 23 will come as it is. Then it is in the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, 23 will come as it is. Then in the table of 5, 5 ones are 5, 23 as it is, 1 will come. Then it will in the table of 23, 23 ones are 23, 1 as it is, 1 as it is. Now what LCM came? How many times 2 came? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2. How many times 3 came? 2 times 3, then 5, then 23. Now first multiply and see if you can make 10 or 100. If you multiply 2 5s are, it is 10. Then what is remaining? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Write with pencil small 8. Then 3 3s are 9. 8 9s are 72. And 23 is left. 72 into 23. If you multiply, we will get 1656, and this 10 is remaining. Then multiply 10, that will be 16560. So the LCM is 16560. Now question number 3rd. On a field 55 meter long and 22 meter wide square shaped matrices have to be spread out. Find out the minimum number of same size matrices that would be needed to cover the field. What to find out? Minimum. Minimum means we have to find the LCM. We have to find the LCM. LCM of which two number? That is 55 and 22. We have to find the LCM of 55 and 22. It will go in the table of 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. 55 will not go. We will write 55 as it is. Then we know it will go in the table of 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are. 11 will come as it is. Then both will go in the table of 11. 11 ones are 11 ones are. Then LCM of 55 and 22. It is 2 multiply 2 multiply 11. 5 2s are 10. 10 into 11, it is 110. So the square matrices are to be spread. Number of square matrices. How many number of square matrices we need? What is the LCM? 110. And what it is said? Then divide it with the last number of the LCM, that is 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 tens are. Then what is the answer? Number of square matrice of side 11 meter is 10 number. 10 number of matrice we need. Question number 5th. A trader goes to Raipur every 4th day, while another trader goes to Raipur every 10th day. If both the traders are going to Raipur together on 3rd January, what will be the next day on which they would go to Raipur together? In the question it is said, 4th day one trader goes to Raipur and the 10th day another trader goes to Raipur, but the 3rd January both goes together. Then what will be the next day both will go together? Then we have to find the LCM. We have to find the LCM. LCM of which two dates they went? Just see, 4th day and the 10th day. That means the LCM of 4 and 10. The LCM of 4 and 10 we have to find. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 5 as it is, then 5 1s are 5. Then LCM of 4 and 10. How much we got? 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now see, since they together went to Raipur on 3rd January, when they went? 3rd Jan. So again they will go together to Raipur on, what is the LCM we got? 20. Then what to add? Together the first day. Together the first day when they went? They went on 3rd. Therefore 20 plus 3, that is 23rd January. Again they will go to Raipur together. Is it clear?